I'm like, make this good dinner because I love to cook. And they come to the door, and I was like, open the door, hey, how you doing, whatever. They come in, I fell in love with her. I don't know what it was. She just like did this thing, and then there was Todd, and him and Dennis have this banter, and it was the most wonderful evening we had had in like a very long time with the two of them. And it was like, okay, this time you win. And
This time.
it's this time. Not usually, got it?
Is somebody recording this?
This time you did really, really good. We love them both very much. Melinda, you know what? I tell her everything. She's one of my very best friends, and I trust her with my life. And I love you, Todd. Todd Melinda.